Three.
Hvad nu hvis nogen er nærgående? Hvad sker der så?
Don't have a jacuzzi.
Can you believe that? Can you believe we don't have a jacuzzi?
Hi, Moomin.
It's not a race to the end.
Name a yellow fruit.
Orange.
Give it to me, I wanna get no sleep cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get a sleep cause of me.
Mona Lisa. Yeah. Da Vinci?
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino.
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my god.
Adam!
Hi all, this is Kermit the Frog, and I'm here to tell you the story about Emmett Otter's...
You put your name into the goblet of fire, Harry? Dumbledore asked calmly.
Harry!
I protest.
Harry, you put your name in a goblet of fire.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh.
Please enjoy this video I found in my Snapchat. I think it's really funny. Happy New Year.
Say every day she be giving it up. Shake that ass for me.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
I've been really trying.
Yeah.
Work out all day, and obviously I'm an...
Shorty a little baddie. She my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty.
Welcome to...
Okay. So you look at you see this Eminem? Look at this. Look at this. She look like a dog Eminem.
You don't scare me!
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, James.
Hey.
Hey, honey, good to see you. How you been? Fucking Trevor!
You just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Suck my ass.
One, two, three, mother. Up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Have you...
Look how calm she is as well.
Niall, thanks very much. Oh no, Niall!
Squash banana hungry.
Carlos.